Britain is at a critical stage in its energy strategy as we look to reduce carbon emissions from electricity generation. As we move to greener technologies such as wind and solar, it's also important that we have the flexibility to meet customer demand on days when wind and light is low. One such alternative source of power generation is gas-fired engines, which is where our Venture Road project comes into action. National Grid Metering have been supporting developers of small-scale power generation plants for the last 2 years or so. We started out providing design feasibility consultancy services, but that quickly grew into a turnkey solution from design through to construction via our GERS accredited Siteworks team.
Ricky Rogers at NGM has been assisting us from day one. It's a project that we turned around in pretty much record time for one of these type of assets. It's typically a 12 to 24 month turnaround, and this one I think we managed to fit all of that in within a sort of 6 to 9 month time frame.
The team now take a site through from concept, so we look at the network, pressure and capacity, and then take that through a full design process through to construction and delivery of gas infrastructure and metering for our clients on site. The project entailed delivering 65 metres of 250mm medium pressure gas infrastructure to a single stream 102M rotary meter, delivering gas at a pressure of 250 millibar at the meter outlet valve. We also installed an acoustically clad kiosk, which is critical for the customer in planning conditions as it reduced the noise pollution to the surrounding area. The project didn't go ahead without its challenges though. Our project manager Carl Evans quickly pulled together a meeting. This was key to make sure that everybody was on the same page and that we could effectively coordinate our works packages.
Trying to deliver the project was testing at times. We couldn't get our section 50 approved by the LA, the local authority, due to the electrical works going on in the area. So we come to a compromise with the electrical company supplying power to the site, that they would complete their works, come off Fleetwood Road, and we would carry out their ducting on the road crossing, so we could both work under the same section 50 at the same time, delivering the project.
Our speed of response ensured that the project remained on track, which is really important to us as one of our core values is delivering for our customers. Another pleasing aspect of the project was it proves that the model that we've employed works. On the back of this, we're now working with various developers, and over the course of the next 2 years we're going to be delivering at roughly around 20 sites with circa 17 kilometres of new gas infrastructure across the UK, which is really pleasing.
The brand carries an incredible amount of weight. It brings an awful lot of value to our end product. It immediately catches the eye of prospective investors. There's no denying that. Combined with the fact that the service you get behind that from the team at NGM has become invaluable to us. And we are in a position now where we can't deliver our projects without NGM being a part of that delivery team.